in OpenOffice Writer. As we know, this is the next chapter. In previous chapter, we have already seen that what is OpenOffice Writer and how we can use it. Now writing with a style and color in OpenOffice Writer. In this chapter, basically we will learn the basics of formatting. This is related to basic of formatting. So formatting is very important. For first of all, we have to know the definition of formatting. Formatting refers the changes. Formatting refers the changes in the document of text that appear. We can say in other words that formatting refers to changing the appearance of text in the document. We can format the character in writing by these options. First of all, we have to move in format menu, then character dialog box. There is a set of dialog box. Dialog box provides so many options like font type, font size, bold, italic, underline, all these things, all these sets are given there. We have to use these options and make our document according to our desired needs. To use these options, we need to type the text and select it and then click on the desired option. We can also use format toolbar for this formatting. This is the picture of a format toolbar. Here you can see that this is the first box is written Times New Name Roman. This is the name of the font. Here several fonts are given here. We can select any one of these. The second one is showing the size of the font. It shows the font of size. Font size is visible from 9 and the maximum you can put 72. The third one is showing the bold. It means it makes our font bold. The next one is italic. It makes our font italic. The third one is underline. It is underlined by the font, the text written, the text are underlined. The fifth one is left align. Font will be a start from left corner. Now, Times New Roman is placed at the left corner. So, left alignment is always start with left subside. The second one is center aligned. Look here. This is the center horizontally. This is in the middle of the screen. So, this is center aligned. If we click on this button after selecting the text, this will be place the text on the middle of the screen, center horizontally. The third one is aligned right. It will be placed the text is aligned right. Here right to text is written in right side. The text, if we select the text and click on the right, the text will be placed on this side, right side. The third one is justify. It start from left side to right side by adjusting the gaps with the space and margin. So this is look our paragraph. If we select a paragraph, the paragraph is completely look back from left to right, and it looks very beautiful. Now next we are moving to after alignment, align to the bottom, align to the vertical, align to the top, above the text. This is used for the above the text, and this is used for the below the text. Whenever we require these commands need, we will be apply it and we will be work on it. Now we are moving on definition of these commands one by one. Number one, font. It is used to change the look of any text in our document. A style and formatting. It specifies whether to show or hide the style of formatting window, which is whether we can assign and organize a style. Font name allow us to select the font name from the list. There is a lot of names are available in the list. We can select any one according to our choice. Font size allow us to choose between the different font size from the list. Bold makes the selected text bold. We can also use Control B command for this. This Control B is known as the shortcut command. Italic makes the selected text italic. We can also use Control I as a shortcut key for the underline. Underline and removes underline from the selected text. We can use Control U as a shortcut command. Superscript reduce the font size of the selected text and raise the text above the baseline. As for example, a square. As for example, b square. These are the example of mathematical notation and these are the example of superscript. We can also use subscript. Subscript reduce the font size of selected text and raise the text below the baseline. As for example, H2O. As for example, 10 base 2. These are the example of subscript. Now we are moving on the next topic. The 10th one is increase font size. It's very clear. Increase the font size of the selected text. Point size. In 11th topic, we are going to see point size. Point size is the relative measurement of the size of the font. Reduce font. 12 reduce the font size of the selected text. 13 font color used to change the font foreground color of the text. It may be blue, black, green, whatever it is, the whatever the colors are given in the window map. In the window map text box, you can change it. Highlighting, apply the current highlight color of the background. Character dialog box, open the character dialog box. Format paintbrush. Format paintbrush is a tool. It is a very important tool. Just listen it carefully. Format paintbrush is a tool. Is used to copy formatting text selection in writer or from an object and apply the formatting to another text selection or object. Means if someone is using some unique style and we like it, we can, but we don't know that what fonts and what type, what size he was using. First of all, we have to type it and then format, go to the format paint style and then select the font and click on the font format style. The font will be changed according to that previous style. The 17th is the spelling and grammar. The spelling and grammar feature of the toolbar is used to start a spell check. It is used to start a spell check. Often we are doing a spelling mistake in our document. But if there is no provision of the spell check, then we will send something wrong to the other people, some wrong spelling to the other people. So the spell check option is used to check it. From the current cursor position, suppose we are in the middle of the document, then from the cursor is there, the from current cursor position of the beginning of the document. Customer uses the US dictionary. Computers uses the US dictionary to verify the word. There is a inbuilt dictionary in our computer, and that is US dictionary. According to from that dictionary, we verify our words and we check our words. Generally, red colored wavy line, underlined words are misspelled, and the misspelled. We can correct it from the given word of the dictionary. We can correct it by the given option, by the given dictionary words. So this is the very important feature for us. In this way, we avoid our errors, we avoid our mistakes. Now look at this. This is the toolbar. In toolbar, we are moving in the language. In language, we are moving here the for selection, paragraph, all text, traces, hyphenate, and this. This total tool is related to the formatting option and we are in the formatting option. Here for selection English USA, we are using the language of English USA. So this is very important for us. Now we are using a style formatting. In a style formatting, this one is for the paragraph formatting. The second one is character formatting. The third one is frame formatting. The fourth one is page formatting, the list formatting, and fill format mode. This is the new style selection update or load style. We can do everything according to this.